Have you ever found yourself in a camera store surrounded by a dazzling array of options, trying to figure out which Fujifilm camera is the perfect fit for you? Well, you're not alone, and with so many choices in the Fujifilm lineup, it can be quite overwhelming. But fear not, because today we are going to find the camera that will be the perfect fit for you. Now let's start with the Fujifilm X-T5. As a photographer myself, I know how important it is to have a camera that not only delivers stunning images quality, but also feels like an extension of yourself. The X-T5, with its impressive 40 megapixel resolution and those Fujifilm dials that we all love, is truly for me the perfect camera for photographers. It's perfect for those who want that tactile feeling while also having some freedom in post to be able to crop or zoom in if necessary. And the good thing is that it is compact enough for you to bring it everywhere you go, whether you are exploring the streets or capturing breathtaking landscapes. Priced at $1,699, it is a reliable companion for both professional work, but also your creative, more kind of escapades. Now let's dive into the Fujifilm X-H2. Not only does it offer the same incredible features as the X-T5, but it also allows you to venture into the 8K video recording world. So if you are someone that is in need of this amazing amount of details and that need 8K for your client work or for your workflow, this is definitely the camera that you want to get. The X-H2 definitely feels more robust and more durable than the X-T5, which makes it a very reliable companion even in challenging shooting conditions. Now, while it comes at a higher price of $2,000, it might just be the perfect choice if you're passionate about both photography and videography, if you need that 8K and if you want a more robust body. Now let's talk about speed and versatility with the Fujifilm X-H2S. This camera is a beast when it comes to capturing action, whether you're into sports, into wildlife, or any fast-paced subject matter. It has extremely fast and accurate autofocus, the best of the Fujifilm world, and it gives you the ability to shoot 4K videos at 120 frames per second and capture raw stills at up to 30 frames per second. And that's not all, because one of the important features of the X-H2S is that it allows you to capture videos with 6.2K open gate, which is great if you need both vertical and horizontal content, and it also performs ProRes internally. Now the X-H2S is priced at $2,499, and it's an extremely powerful tool if you're a videographer in need for ProRes or the frame rate that the X-H2S provides you with, or if you're a photographer that really need that extremely fast autofocus and that very quick 30 frames per second raw still capture capability. Alright, and now let me introduce you to a newcomer, the Fujifilm X-S20, which is, I believe, the camera that is the best for most of the people out there. If you're someone who likes capturing a bit of everything, if you need both photos and videos, I think that this camera is pretty much made for you. It's like a baby X-H2S, inheriting some of its incredible features, including the 6.2K open gate and the ability to shoot 4K up to 60 frames per second. Now, one important point compared to the latest generation, the XS10, is that it is now also able to use the latest Fujifilm battery, so you will be able to shoot without worrying too much about running out of power. However, it has some limitations, and the X-S20 comes only with a single SD card slot and a micro HDMI, and also lacks weather sealing. But don't let that discourage you too much, because it's an incredible camera priced at just $1,299. And I think that at this price point, with this kind of capabilities, it kind of rules out some other options like the former X-T4 or X-T3, because it kind of outclasses them, in my opinion. And lastly, let's explore the Fujifilm X-T30 Mark II. I remember the excitement that I felt when I started my photography journey. And if you're in that phase right now, if you're a beginner, I think that the X-T30 Mark II is a fantastic choice. It's versatile, it's portable, and compact, and all of this combination makes it ideal for beginners. Now, while it may lack some advanced features like in-body image stabilization, weather sealing, and while it comes only with the other Fujifilm battery, I think that it still delivers very good image quality and performance. And the best part is that it comes with a price tag of only $999, which makes it a very good entry point into the Fujifilm world. Alright, we cover quite a range of Fujifilm cameras, and each of them have unique strength and target audience. And I did left some of them out of this buying guide on purpose, because I think that those that I mentioned are the ones that are more worth mentioning in 2023. I hope that this video has helped you gain some clarity and insight into which camera might be the right fit for you, but remember that the perfect camera is the one that aligns with your passions, your preference, and that you will always want to bring with you. If you have any questions or need further guidance, please leave a comment below. I will do my best to reply to all of them. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more Fujifilm related content. Thank you for watching today's video, and if you've missed it, check out this video right here where I review the Fujifilm X-T5 in more details. See you there.